Breaking cruise news. One more signature needed, and sailings to Alaska can resume for the 2021 cruising season. Let's talk about it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, if you would, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so and allows us to continue bringing you cruising content like the story we're about to talk about. So one more signature. What does that mean and what are we talking about? Well, that is the Alaskan Tourism Recovery Act. Last week, this passed unanimously through the Senate and was sent to the House of Representatives to get voted on. And it has now passed the House of Representatives as well, and will be headed towards the president for his signature. Once the president signs the bill, this will allow cruise ships to sail from Seattle to Alaska without having to do a foreign port stop in Canada. Now, this bill only applies to cruises from the West Coast up to Alaska and is only good till February of 2022, which is the same time that Canada is supposed to release their cruise ban and allow ships back into their waters. Now, cruise ships will still have to go through the CDC process to resume sailing, but once they do that, they can begin sailing to Alaska this year. So now July cruises to Alaska can theoretically be possible once the president signs this. Alaska has been desperate to get the tourism restarted in their country. They've lost millions and billions of dollars due to the cruise shutdown, and many cruisers, including myself, have had Alaska cruises canceled. And I know we're all looking forward to getting back on board and getting back to Alaska. So I just wanted to bring this quick cruising news to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.